Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with this amazing, beautiful thing before I open. I'm sorry you guys. Okay, so anyways, if you guys don't know, Alicia from I always want to say Wagman 510. No, Alicia from Crafty Hoplop now, here on YouTube. She started a Holy Swap last year, right when she went to the Holy Land, and so it was a swap between a couple of group of ladies, and each group basically had a topic or a theme, and we would create and swap it to or send it to each other. So when COVID started, then, well, we kind of stopped it and we kind of discontinued doing it because we weren't taking risks. A lot of us didn't want to take those risks of, getting something that might, possibly be infected with, the mail and everything. So anyways, so this was our last swap, and this was a swap, and it was a hoop. And I believe Miss Judy from My Scrapbook Loft is the one that was hosting this time, and she wanted a altered hoop. So we kind of agreed that we weren't going to do it, but some of us were still in this group that we kind of like either had already made the item, or we kind of felt like, okay, well, we need to do it. So I was one of those, and Tree was one of those, and Miss Judy had already completed hers, so she just went ahead and sent us ours. So anyways, long story short, this is Miss Tree from Craft On Hoop from the Holy Swap, and let me see, and I just got this in the mail, and she just say, finally sending out my Holy Swap hoop. Hope you like it, Tree. And look at her beautiful card. Oh my goodness. So simple, clean, and yay. And so let me go ahead and see. I think I can pull it down this way. Ooh, gemmies. I like. So let's go ahead and see. I was going to say, whoa, Tree. Oh, I like this. She did a, like a kind of like a, oh my gosh, like a patchwork out of ribbon, and you guys could see that pattern. It's like a, oh my gosh, I don't even know how to say it. And look at how beautiful, so unique and different. And now that I'm seeing this bow, this is the template that I sent Miss Tree, and she forgot to send me a template that's nice, Miss Tree. Just kidding. We're always sending each other mail, so she'll figure it out. Anyways, how cute. Look at, I like how she did that. It's like a patchwork kind of thing, but it's like a, oh my gosh, I don't even know how to explain it. And oh my goodness, this is beautiful, Tree. I love it. So love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is beautiful. So I don't know if these were ephemeras that already had this right here, the glitter effect right here. I'm thinking she did have it, but I'm thinking on this one she actually added it on. That's what I'm thinking. And she has a cute little flower here, which she did a stickle glitter effect on it. And then there's like the little coil right there, and the heart. This is so, I like this, how she did that. That is so cute. And then she sent me some extra ribbon, and I'm not too sure. Is this the ribbon? Did you get this ribbon at BB Craft, or I'm totally confused? Beautiful, love it. And it looks like she's dancing, a ballerina dancing with those trolls that, oh my goodness, you know how, I don't know if you guys ever saw in the gymnastics, the trolls that the girls would do. Sorry, camera. Anyways, look at you guys, how beautiful. Oh my goodness. So anyways, if you don't know Tree, oh my gosh, she is an amazing crafter. Go over to her channel, show her some love and support. We are both at this moment hosting our make it till we make it 1K to our 1K. So basically what we're doing there is we're crafting away until we make it to our 1K, and then just I'll link the video of that on the description below so you guys could see and understand it a little bit more. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking that time to watch. And Tree, this is amazing. I love it. Oh my goodness. Anyways, everybody, again, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.